Hello, my name is Abhijit Deep Karmalkar and today's date is 17 January 2022 and today's video topic is differences between uh, procedural and object-oriented programming language. So firstly we will see both means procedural oriented programming language. It is POP and object-oriented programming language. It is OOP means OOP. So are the high-level language in programming world, and it is widely used in development of applications. The basis of nature of developing the code developing the code. Both languages are different approaches of basic of which are differentiate from each other. The important differences between object oriented language and procedure oriented programming language is firstly we will see key firstly we will see key uh, the definition of object oriented programming. uh, Object oriented programming, definition of object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming is a programming language that uses a class and object to create a models and real world environment. So OOPS is it is a makes easy to maintain and modify existing code as new objects are created, and procedure oriented programming means POP. So on the other hand, procedural oriented programming is a programming language that follows step by step approach to break down a task into a collection of a variables and and routines. A sequence of a instructions. So step is carried out in order systematic manner. So these are the procedural oriented programming language. So what is the approach of object oriented language? The concept of object that are classes in introduction and enhance the program is divided into small chunks called object, which are instance of a class. So other hand, pop is main programming divided into small parts. Main programming divided into small part, based on the function, and function is and treated is a separate program for individual smaller program. So access modifier next is access modifier in OOPS. Access modifiers are introduced uh, namely is private, public, protected, and default. So on the other hand, such as modifier are introduced in POP. So next is a security. Security is due to abstraction in OOPS data. OOPS data hiding is possible, and hence it is a more structure than POP. So on the other hand, POP is less secure as compared to OOPS. Complexity next is a complexity due to modularity in its So program is less complex, and new data object can created new data object are created easily from object making oriented program. So on the other hand, there are no simple process to add data in pop, at least not without reversing the whole program. So these are the um, so all about this procedure oriented programming language and object oriented programming language. Thank you.